Today is 1123rd day sharing lessons I learn and continue to learn with all of you. My hope that these insights will inspire you, support your dreams, help you to achieve your goals, and really empower you to become the person that you want to become. The lesson that you are going to listen is really life changing. It might change your life if you actually implement the lesson. And today's lesson is about success formula. Very, very simple. I think that we need to understand that majority of success is in very, very simple things, in simplicity. Because I think that we fool ourselves so often that we need to find something very, very complex, difficult to really implement something very complex to achieve success. But no, simply simplicity is the key to success. And today we'll share four questions that you're able to ask yourself when you want to fix something in your life. Four questions, and are one word questions. That means it could be finances, it could be relationships, it could be health, it could be wealth, finances, everything. Like that means that, and I would love to recommend choose one thing, one area of your life, one problem that you would love to fix right now. It doesn't matter what it is, because the lesson, the success formula, is don't care about which area you want to focus on. You're able to fix that. So four words, and get ready. So number one question is who? Who? The most important question. Who? And when you think about the problem that you chose, let's say that's finances or relations. Let's say it's finances. Who is responsible to fix that problem? Who is responsible? I think you always need to understand that the first step in everything is taking ownership and responsibility. You will never be able to achieve success until you learn to really point to the right direction. That means that when you really want to point a finger, if you want to point a finger, that means you need to point into the mirror. The only place that you can point a finger is into the mirror. Because when you are blaming someone else, you're giving all control. You're giving away control. I think that's, I like control. Do you like control? If you like control, so don't give that control. So blaming someone is giving away your control of your life. So the first question is very, very important. Who is responsible to fixing that problem? Who is responsible to responding in that problem right? Because it might be it's not your fault that it happened. It might be that's not your fault. But it's your damn responsibility to make it better. So when you understand that, and that's the whole question will always be the answer you. That means you need to say, I am responsible. Because we always need to understand that sometimes if we think about the problem, but if we think about the problem with someone else's perspective, oh, they need to fix it. They need to fix it. They need to fix it. And I will try my best to help them to fix it. And that moment, we will never be able to solve that. But when we actually say, okay, how much I'm responsible, who is responsible? I am responsible. I take full ownership and I'm going after fixing that, no matter which part I'm able to do that. So maybe your 5% was your fault, maybe 1%, maybe 0%. It doesn't matter. 100%, it doesn't matter. You are responsible to make it better right now to fix your own life. Okay, so first one, understand, take ownership. Second thing that we need to really focus is what. What. So first one, who. Second is question what. One question, what. So what happened in the past? What exactly happened? What is going on right now? So it means that we always look into the past. Okay, so like, so when there's a moment, might be that there's some moment that it is triggering you and you have disappointment because of that one thing. Or might be that it's still happening. So what exactly is happening from the past till now? So what we were doing to really make this kind of an issue, so you understand what's going on. Because until you know full awareness, you're not able to fix it. Probably you've heard it 1,000 times. Until you know what's going on, you're not able to fix it. Because self-awareness is the biggest key to success. You're not able to fix what you are not aware about. That's why so many people who are really pursuing something meaningful, they're not able to really achieve real success because they're not aware that they're doing something wrong. So we need to reflect constantly, find some blind spots, and sometimes we're not able to do by ourselves. But again, what's going on? What happened in the past that really caused you to feel that this is a problem in the first place? Maybe I don't know what's happened. Okay, maybe say that I gained 50 pounds in the past, and that's now I'm 50 pounds overweight. Or maybe they say that I made some bad decisions in my business, and now I have $50,000 in my debt. So that's exactly what happened. So that's what you need to deal with. Now, the beautiful part is that the next question is what again? What again? So who, what? So the next third question is what, but this what focus on future. So first was just taking responsibility. Second, being aware on the who, what past, and now what is future. So what you would like instead? What you would like instead? So what's happening right now, and what you would like instead? So they may say that okay, $50,000 in debt. So what you would like instead? Oh, I would love to be making $100,000 a month, $100,000 a year, maybe 100,000 a month. I don't know. Like what you would love instead. I would love to be financially free. I would love to be abundant. Maybe you 50 pounds overweight. So what you would love instead? I would love to really lose 50 pounds, have more energy. So that means that all the things that what's happening right now, I'm 50 pounds overweight. I don't have energy. I'm always tired. I don't have confidence. I don't fit in my clothes. So okay, let's look at all those things and let's look at okay, what I would love instead. I would love to wear nice clothes. I would love to lose weight. I would love to really have more energy. I would love more confidence. I would love to pursue the things that I want. So that means that there's a lot of things in that one thing. Or it might be that you want to look at okay, what I would love instead. And when you know what you will love instead, so I would love to really have a natural balance. Okay, what you willing to do about it? What you willing to do about it? Are you willing to do something about it? Or is it just a wish? Because if just a wish, you can say, okay, it's just a wish. I just want it because you need to do something about it. You need to be willing to do something. Because okay, I want you to say finances, wealth. Said okay, I'm making $10,000 a month, and I need to I would love to make 100,000 a month. So what I will do about it? Maybe I say I will start a business or whatever. I want you to really make that money. So then the first question is who? Taking full ownership. Second, what? Past. What happened? What's happening? Third question, what? Future. What I will do instead? What I'm willing to do about it? And the last question, number 4, and is very, very important as well, is how. So how is all about present, because we always need to bring to present. Always, no matter what kind of success formula or whatever, what we do, we always need to bring to today. If I think about the vision, still needs to always bring, okay, so I want to achieve this vision, what I will need to do today. So everything brings to today. So how is bringing to today as well. So then it's what was past, what was future, and how is today. So that means, okay, so I want to make $100,000 a month. How will do that? So that means maybe I will pursue a business, maybe other ideas. Like you are looking, you're brainstorming for ideas to make it happen. But when you know exactly what you're looking for, it's much, much easier to find how. Because you don't know how if you don't know what you're looking for. So that means that when you start looking for brainstorming and really when you know that what you're looking for, you're able to say, okay, what kind of person, who could help me to get this goal happen? Who knows how I could achieve that? That's a beautiful thing. So when you know what exactly you're looking for, it's much easier to find people who help with the how. So I hope that you reflect as well. So like how like from the beginning. So I hope that you really had that one problem. Okay, who's responsible? You. What happened in the past? What you will love to do inside in the future, and how you will do today to make a change in your life. It's such a simple formula. And the biggest key about this formula that we can use it in every single area of our lives. It doesn't matter if you have a problem. We're able to say that I'm pretty good. I'm a pretty good in one area of my life. Maybe in the finances again. Maybe in health. I say that I'm pretty good shape. So okay, like who's responsible for the shape? Me. Okay, what happened in the past? I'm pretty decent in what I do. So okay, what I would love to instead? Maybe I would love to achieve next level. I would love to do next level of achievement. I don't want to be good anymore. I want to be great. And because I want to be great, now what I'm willing to do about it and how I will achieve that new greatness. So the success formula is not just going from bad to good, but going from good to great and from great to extraordinary. So when we have that constantly thinking game, who is responsible for making better, what I used to do in the past, what's happening, what I would love to do instead, and what I would love to have instead, and how I will do it today. So I hope that you reflect and you'll find that this formula, one of the things that is really, really helpful, especially when you're stuck and you do not know what to do. It really start to brainstorm and you find ideas how to get out of that stuck moment and really move forward. I use that formula so many times and sometimes you used to forget. But if you actually start using this formula, it really helps to get out of the stuck mindset and really start executing on the new ideas. So I hope you choose to win and see you tomorrow.